Hello, everyone. I am Dangs from and it's time to share the product with you again. The product we are going to share with you today, FTL41, is a negative level switch produced by Endress. This product adopts the principle of vibration negative difference for liquid level measurement. When the negative difference comes into contact with the liquid, its vibration frequency will change, thereby triggering the switch signal. It mainly has the following advantages. First of all, it has a very wide range of applicability. A single measurement system can be applied to all pumpable liquids. No need to adjust for different rings. It greatly reduces the cost and complexity of use. Secondly, this product is highly reliable because the whole product has no mechanical moving parts. Therefore, the risk of failure due to mechanical wear and tear is also avoided. The equipment operates stably and requires no maintenance. This can effectively reduce downtime and maintenance costs. Third, this product is a plug-and-play product based on its advanced sensor technology. It has plug-and-play function. The operation is simple and convenient. No complicated parenting required. It can be put into use quickly. It saves time for installation and commissioning. Fourth, it is not affected by the characteristics of the medium. Measurement can be independent of the flow of the medium, streams, bubbles, due to factors such as vibration or sediment. It can accurately detect the position change of the liquid to ensure the reliability and stability of the measurement results. In addition, this product has high repeatability due to the switch point. It can maintain stable performance during long-term operation. It provides accurate liquid level models for industrial processes. At the same time, he has also passed the International Explosion-Proof certification, for example, ATEE, ESEX, and other certification, and various safety and design approvals. It can operate safely and reliably in hazardous areas and various industrial environments. The above is the introduction of this product. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.